Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about ETF. So let's say you want to invest in the whole stock market. Is there a chance to do that or not? This video we're going to explore how we can invest in the broader market. So this is called ETF, exchange traded fund. So exchange traded fund is a fund that you invest into it, give you access to multiple stock in the stock market. So if you are not sure what you choose, whether how to invest in a different way, ETFs give you the opportunity to invest in the whole broader market. So let's say what is ETF actually? It says exchange trade. So for instance, ETF, say I have this basket for instance. So ETF is like specifically you have multiple company brought together into this basket. So this basket contains, let's say, total different company. So in this basket you can find this. Let's say this represent Apple, this will represent Microsoft, this will represent United Health, this can represent Bank of America, this we can represent Tesla, and so on and so forth. So in order for you not to have, if you don't have money to buy each one, once you buy this whole basket, it gives you exposure into all the different companies you would think about it. So this is what makes it really exciting. So people, those of you who don't know where to start, how to start, you don't have much money, don't worry, you can buy ETF and you can invest as little as $10, $5. Go to your broker, open an account and just start. No excuse that you don't know how to. So if there is multiple ETF, they can ETF that track the index. You have ETFs that track a sector. So let's say this basket represent ETF that track a sector. So let's, for instance, technology, or ETF that tracks the chip making companies. So if, for instance, if I take an ETF that invest in technology, this whole basket will be ETF that focus on technology. So this M can represent what Meta, which is one company in the technology sector. This can represent Apple. This can represent any different technology that you like, Tesla or stuff. So if you buy this basket, you can assume that you get shares in every company in the tech sector. So don't worry, no stress out trying to pick the winner, trying to pick the next Palantir, the next boom. You can start investing ETF with as little as $5. Check it out. We're going to make a series of videos explaining ETFs. We're going to learn by sector. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up, like and subscribe. More video comes. Have a great day. Bye.